We got to the fair right when it opened, so no crowds, no lines, but also no music, so that was a little bit of a bummer. First on our agenda, breakfast, and Natalie found the perfect state fair breakfast.
My first time trying your boat.
Oh, nice.
And I think I'm going to try the peanut butter squealer.
Okay. $8.
Oh, it smells really good. I'll put $2 in the tip jar.
All right, thank you.
No problem.
Napkins and syrup. Okay, Natalie, what did we get?
We got the peanut butter squealer.
All right, let's show everybody what this thing looks like. Oh, here we go. The peanut butter squealer. Tell us what we got here.
We got a maple sausage wrapped in a bacon waffle with syrup, peanut butter, and crumbled bacon.
Syrup, peanut butter, crumbled bacon, maple sausage wrapped in a Belgian waffle.
And the most important part is, it's on a stick.
Oh yeah, that is important. It's on a stick. All right, give it a whirl, Natalie. You're the first bite. Okay, so waffle chicks at the state fair. This is a new food for them. Are you going to give this a thumbs up or a thumbs down? I'm going thumbs up. The bacon is outstanding. The waffle is soft, but you can tell that it's a little crispy on the outside.
Right, I just got a crispy but
Okay. And the sausage doesn't taste real fatty. You know how some sausages taste like, ooh, fat. This is delicious. Oh, and then there's a little bit of syrup in the bottom here, so that helps. Here's just sausage. Okay, we're gonna take some time to privately eat this and get messy. But yeah, we're going thumbs up on the peanut butter squealer from Waffle Chicks. So we saw a lot of interesting food on a stick, but nothing compared to this.
take a look at this.
Oh my God, Natalie. It's the bug apple. Do you see? Oh, what's on this caramel apple?
What, Mom?
I see crickets, beetles, larvae. Is this something you'd like to try?
Mom, that would be a hard no. On our way to find coffee, have you met me? Of course I needed coffee. We found the Marines. I have a special place in my heart for these guys. My grandpa was a Marine. I really sucked at the game, but I thank them for their service, and boy, did I enjoy that eye candy. Now we're trying from Slim McGinnis Irish Pub the French Toast Latte.
I think it's called Cinnamon Toast Crunch Latte because they use Cinnamon Toast Crunch cereal.
Oh, I think you're right.
Yeah, so give it a shot.
It has a really deep coffee flavor, and I think I need to add some sugar. Oh, I discovered something. When you drink it without the straw, you can taste the cereal on the edge, and that kind of makes it sweeter.
Ooh, I'm gonna try that now.
Isn't this a cuteness overload? Look at it. the Wisconsin Cattle Association is grilling up some steaks over there. So let's go check it out.
Oh my. Oh my. Thank you.
What do you call it when one cow spies on another cow? Why? That would be a stakeout.
So it looks like just like any other beauty salon. We've got blow dryers. Oh my God, look at all the hairsprays. Oh yeah, and products. These cows need products. Yep, they're spray painting them, making sure that they look totally the right color. Aww. Natalie, I found some goats.
Okay guys, I just learned something way cool about goats. Goats were the first animals domesticated and milked by humans, and more people drink goat milk than any other milk around the world. Who knew?
Here's Juliet. Hi, Juliet. You're pretty. Here's Boggy. He's a spotted saddle horse. She is a spotted saddle horse. She's 5. Hey, Carlos. He's a saddlebred. 16 years old. Wow. And look at Dudley. Oh, he's a little guy. Look at Dudley. He's a Shetland pony, and he's 25 years old. Oh, Dudley, you've been around the block.
A pony went into the doctor complaining of a sore throat. After the exam, the doctor says, "No worries, you're just a little horse." Here's Hopping. You had a great time at the fair with me.
We're gonna put 2 places.